Welcome back to another episode of Zany Chicago Drivers with the 2023 Chevy Bolt EV 2LT. On this episode, we'll go a little bit easy on my fellow Chicagoans who are mostly inconsiderate, absent-minded, hesitant, and goofy drivers. I really do try to have as much patience as I can, so forgive my French. After so many years of dealing with this, it becomes annoying to witness constantly. You will also notice there are minimal infractions on my part this time compared to the last video, and I will leave a link in the description below so you can watch my behavior there. It really does help to watch yourself act like a Neanderthal in order to realize that you need to relax. Anyhow, that's it for me on this post. Y'all stay well, stay safe. Ciao, friends.
God damn, where do these people fucking learn how to drive and shit? Come on, bro, you could have made that. Come on. Fucking puss bag. Fucking pussy. Beat them, but whatever. Come on, why is there fucking 2 car lengths between you and the next car? Dickhead, man. People are straight dickheads here. And then you're gonna brake? Always a bitch. I'm empowered. You ain't empowered to fucking drive correctly. Catch me, bitch. What a fucking goofball. You go into the right lane in order to turn left? Why are you doing that, you fucking asshole? What a fucking asshole. Wow, you saw that person? Instead of veering into the left lane, they went right into the middle, just so that we wouldn't be able to get by them. Motherfucker. Get in my fucking way, asshole. People so stupid. You're stupid, you people.
November, then November came, then I came right back on my worst behavior. Is this the same fucking guy that did that shit yesterday? He did that shit yesterday, you remember? No era la original, como se dice, cerveza San Salvador. Y ahí uno no se puede mover. Yo siempre a esta hora me levanto como con hambre, pero después me quita.
What a goofball. Fucking cars back here again. Fuckers are just allowed to do this shit. Oh, you're a fucking idiot. You're gonna let two people go, you dumb motherfucker? Wow, that guy didn't even stop. He just went right through. What are you doing? I don't know. She's not supposed to move. She just crossed the red light. People are fucking stupid.
Ahí desde el teléfono. Cuidado, viejo.
Motherfucker. You had your fucking turn signal, you jackass. He had his fucking turn signal and he changed his mind last minute.